What's happening YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm gonna quickly show you how to check, or in other words view, your Facebook password here on your iPhone. Hey, if for example you've forgotten your Facebook password but you still have the application here installed on your iPhone device, I'm gonna show you how to view your Facebook password so you can actually remember it and regain access or log in into a different iPhone or mobile device. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues, so if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now I'm gonna show you in today's video a few tips in here to check your Facebook password. Let me quickly open up my Facebook application here real quick. There we go, here we are. I'm now on Facebook, and if I quickly for example tap here on my profile and then tap here on settings, and next up simply tap here on Meta Account Center, and then if I tap here on password and security and then tap here on change password and then select my Facebook account, Facebook will not allow me to see my password, but we've got a hint in here in this first step. So we do have here a date which says my current password was updated on 6th of 5/2024, as you can see it in here. So this can actually give you a few clues or a hint about your password. So try remembering, for example, the date that you've actually changed your password and try to see if you can actually recall that specific password. If you're unable to do so, do not worry, we're moving into the second step in here where we actually need to search for an app called Passwords. Okay, so all we need to do is simply search for this app known as Passwords in here and then tap once to open that specific app. It's going to ask you for your Face ID or to unlock it with your passcode in order for you to access this app in here, because it's a sensitive app which stores every password that you have here saved in your iPhone device. Let me quickly position my Face ID. There we go. So as you can see here, I do have a section which says all, and then code, security, Wi-Fi passwords, every Wi-Fi password which is stored in my device. I can also check it from here, passkeys, and many more. Now, please note that if you have a pretty old iOS system, you won't be able to find the Passwords app, but you can tap here on settings and then simply scroll down and you'll see here an option for passwords, okay? Or otherwise, if you're unable to find it here, simply search it here, search for passwords, and you'll be able to see that specific app. On much newer iOS systems like mine, the password has turned into an app, which is the one that I opened here previously, right? But in old devices, it used to be a setting on your iPhone. So let me quickly unlock it once again, and once I'm here, I'm gonna tap here for example on all, and as you can see in here, we do have a lot of websites in here which have my password stored. For example, if I tap here on Facebook, which is what we are actually searching for, you can see that I do have my email in here, and then down here my password. So all we need to do is simply tap once here on password to view my password so I can remember which password I had. Now, this password is a password that you've actually stored or saved into your iPhone before, so you can log in without issues. So this is how you can view that specific password. Now, if this step doesn't help, we do have a last step in here, which will require you to open up Safari real quick. So once you're here on Safari, you're gonna tap on New Tab, and then you're gonna search for Facebook, and then you're gonna head straight to facebook.com in here, which is the website, and then you're gonna pretend that you want to log in into your Facebook account. So if you tap here on mobile number or email address, you'll see that your email will pop up in here automatically. So you tap once on that and then position your Face ID. You'll be able to see that your email and your password will be filled here automatically. Now, the next thing you need to do in here to view your password, which has already been stored or saved in here, you just need to tap here on this little eye right here. If you tap in here, it's going to unmask your entire password, and you'll be able to see your password once again, and you'll be good to go in here to log in into Facebook on a different device in here, because you already have your Facebook password. So this is how you can actually check your saved Facebook password in here to log in into a different device. If you find this video really helpful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section down below if you do have any doubts or questions. Thank you so much for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.